Everyone, especially to you, ma'am. We are going to present the milk tea craze and consumer behavior in the Philippines. Part A, demand. Question number 1. Why do students continue to demand milk tea or even if it is not a necessity? Students continue to buy milk tea because it provides satisfaction or happiness or utility. It serves as a social trend and helps them relax or enjoy time with friends. It is also heavily influenced by peer pressure and social media promotions. Number 2. What non-price factors influence milk tea consumption? For instance, brand reputation, taste and flavor options, customization or sweetness, toppings, etc. Social media influence, peer pressure, accessibility of shops, and lastly, the lifestyle and habits.
Question number 3. Draw a demand curve to show what happens with the price of milk tea increase. The demand curve slopes downward from the left and right. When the price increase, the quantity demanded increase, showing an adverse relationship between price and demand. Here's the graph.
Part B, consumer choose. Question number 1. How does the concept of utility explain why students are willing to spend on milk? Utility means the satisfaction of pressure gained from consuming the product. Students buy milk because it gives them enjoyment and comfort, making the purchase worth the cost even if it's not essential. Question number 2. If you have 100 pesos as a daily allowance, what trade-offs would you face between milk and other expenses like food or transportation? Buying a 100 milk might mean sacrificing other needs such as snack plans or trade. The students must decide which give more satisfaction, buying milk tea or savings money for other decisions.
Part C, critical thinking. First question. If a milk tea price rise further, what possible substitutes might students choose? They might shift to alternatives like iced coffee, fruit juice, soda, or homemade drinks that more cheaper but still satisfying. Question number 2. How does social media affect students' consumption of milk tea? Social media increases demand through trends, influencer, endorsement, sharing. It creates a sense of belonging and makes milk tea consumption appear fashionable. Number 3. Do you think the milk tea craze will last for many years or eventually decline? The craze may last for 4 more years but could eventually decline as new drink trends emerge and consumers become more health conscious. However, some loyal consumers may continue buying it as a part of their routine.